Okay, so I am out at a project that I don't have a bid number on yet, but I'm guessing it's going to be called Horizon Pointe, and it's out in Lacey, and as you can see, there's a sign right here to the left that's Horizon Pointe. Horizon Pointe is a very huge housing development out here in Lacey, and I mean, it's enormous. And one of the main drives that come through here is called Balustrade, I believe, as you can see on that sign. Balustrade Boulevard. And the management trust has asked me to look at a bunch of asphalt repairs along Balustrade, which is what I'm driving on right now. So let me take you down to Lintel Lane, where the first scope of work is. So it's probably really hard to see, but you can see the pinpoint on Balustrade where I'm at. And there's a road that comes down off it called Lintel Lane. And it's kind of a small road that goes out and connects over to Radius Loop. So Lintel Lane has 288 square feet of asphalt repair, according to this note. 288 square feet of broken asphalt and 300 feet of crack fill. So I'm going to show you where that's at. I'm on Balustrade right now, which is a really long road, and it takes a left in here to Lintel Lane. Okay. So Lintel Lane, as you can see right here, says there's 288 square feet of asphalt repair and 300 feet of crack fill. Well, I didn't really see 300 feet of crack fill on this because Lintel Lane ends just right up the street here. But I'll show you the asphalt repairs though. Just a second. Excuse the noisy train, but here's one of the areas that needs asphalt repair. So if we were to prepare this the right way, we would probably need to take out roughly 4 feet. 4 feet by, looks like about 10 feet, which is about 40 square feet. All the crack fill is down the middle. So you got a majority of the crack fill that just goes right down the middle. We need to be cleaned and then filled. Cracks are going all the way through like this. Really isn't any cracks up this way, but it's all down the middle. A little bit of cracking right there. Right here though, we've got a sewer lid, and we've got tree root damage, which is lifting this up. So if we've got 288 square feet, that means we could do like about a 20 by 10. And then if we did that 40 feet down there, that's about 240 square feet. Gee, sorry I had to yell there because of that train. Right here, it has sunk a little bit. So what I'm going to say is that if we've got that 40 square feet down there, then we're going to go, looks like we'll come out. Now, I would mark this, but it's all wet pavement right now. So I'm going to say right where this rock's at here, reference here is the fence, and we're at the 90-degree corner here on Lintel Lane. But let's go to that rock, come straight out from the rock, down the center of the drive aisle here, and we will replace all of this asphalt right here. So I'm going to get a measurement on this here real quick. Okay, sorry, I had pushed pause because I wanted to measure, well, how much distance this was from here to the fence. And so what I did was said, screw it. Took it back to here, marked the asphalt. That's 20 feet from there to here. And then if you come out to the center of the road where the catch basin is, that's a 20 by 12. And you've got tree root damage right here, and you've got that sewer lid there. I would say in this 20 foot by 12 here, we would take this out, remove that asphalt, reset that lid, and put back 2 inches of asphalt in this section here. Okay, and remember, this is on Lintel Lane. And then when you come around the corner and go down to this catch basin, we would do a 10 by 4. Okay, so starting on this side of the catch basin, we'll go 4 feet and then come out 10 feet. And we'll replace where it has sunken in this area here, and then really is sunken down right there. I don't think there's any damage to the lid, or excuse me, to the nope, no damage there to the riser or anything, so we're good there. Okay, so those are the 2 measurements on the asphalt, and then 300 feet of crack fill on Lintel Lane until you get out there to the main road. Right behind that car and where that fence is there, there's a road that crosses. Okay, so that's Lintel Lane. You push pause. Okay, I'm at the back side of 4954 balustrade, and it says 25 foot by 4 foot R&R. I'm at the back of 4954 looking for a 25 foot by 4 foot patch here, and I can't tell if they're talking about the center here or if they're talking up by the house here. But for now, what we're going to do is we're going to try to get an idea. I'm guessing maybe this area right here in front of the garage, but it's only 20 feet from left to right, and then if you did 4 feet, it's all damaged asphalt right here from oil spots and all that. So maybe that's the case. It could be a section of it is right there, and then a small section is right out here in the front, in the middle. But we're gonna go with their measurement of 25 by 4 at 4954. All right. The next one we're gonna go to is 5024. Just a second. Okay, I'm at the back side of 5024, and it says 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 is probably this little area that's collecting water at 5024. So we'll do that section right there, and I believe, yeah, the size of that was a 6 by 4. Okay. So 5024. Focus, please. There we go. 6 by 4. Next one we're going to is 5033, and it's a 6 by 6. Hold on. Okay, 5033 balustrade. It says 3 by 3, and the only thing I see out here is maybe this little piece right here. But at 5033, you've got a totally jacked up catch basin here. So let's make a note, and I will make it on my drawings, that 5033 has a 3 by 3 right there, but then also has catch basin repair, which I'm going to say is more like a 4 by 4. Okay, so let's mark that down at 5033. Okay, next one, it's going to be 5123 and 5133 is going to be a 12 by 6. Let's go take a look. Okay, at house 5133, and mind you, it's all in the alleyways on these houses that all these repairs are. So you've got balustrade that's out front, and then you've got these alleyways back behind the homes. But this one at 5133 is a 12 by 6. So it's going to be this area right here, 12 by 6. You've got water that's collecting all through here, which that could be a 12 by 6, but we're going to account that as 12 by 6. And if we get this job, I'll have to get confirmation on it, because it could be one or the other. Okay, the next one we're going to is 5. Let's see here. We're going to head over to 5126. 5126 is 35 by 4. Hold on. Okay, now we're looking at a 30. Come on, baby, focus here. A 35 by 4 at 5126. So, what are they referring to on a 35 by 4? I don't know. I really don't know. I see 4 feet here, and I see cracking that kind of goes down through the drive aisle here. I see that this asphalt's been a little bit worn in different areas because of, you know, oil and all that. But right now we're going to go with this on this video. Okay, the last one I'm driving down this alleyway is 5138, and it's going to be a 6x6. But oh, here it is right here, 5138. It's a 6x6, and we're gonna figure out what it is here. Just a second. Okay, so at house 5138 Balustrade, it's a 6x6, and I'm gonna assume that it's this area right here in the little driveway. 6x6 right there. Okay, so this whole alleyway, they were talking about doing seal coating, but I'm gonna need some clear instructions on what they want. So for now, we're gonna take these quantities. So I get some focus here. Come on, baby. There we go. So we're gonna take these quantities that you see at each house on Balustrade, and we're gonna give them a price for removal of asphalt 2-inch and placement of asphalt 2-inch. And then we're going to 5115 Balustrade. He says the key areas to crack fill are approximately 50 feet. So we'll throw that in. And then Lintel Lane, we'll do the 228 square feet of broken asphalt. I showed you those 2 areas, and 300 feet of crack fill on that road. This other little note here where it says all the alleyways would benefit from seal coat and crack fill. I'm not going to do that yet until she gives me some more instructions on how much of these alleyways we need to do. So, because Balustrade goes for like forever, and I don't know how much she's wanting to do. All right, so let's work on the asphalt repairs at these addresses, and then the crack fill on 5115 Balustrade, and also the crack fill on Lintel Lane. Okay, this is for Management Trust, and they want to go right away on the asphalt repairs. So we'll get them a price, but then they're gonna have to come out and meet with me on where they want the repairs done, because I need to know how they came up with those quantities. All right, any other questions, let me know. Thanks a lot.